Hello, it's me, Mario. I mean, the princess. Yes, the princess. See, I have a crown. Anyway, today I'm doing my girlfriend's YouTube makeup voiceover, and let's get started. First, we put some brown stuff on our face, and we use some Yoshi eggs to push them together. And oh look, now we're a clown going to a kid's party, huh? I love kids. Anyway, let's see. Oh, more Yoshi eggs. I don't understand why we have to use Yoshi eggs. Okay, you can use Yoshi eggs. I am so sorry. I'm sleeping on the couch, huh? Okay, and now we are brushing our face with some sort of device, and we are happy. Yes, we are very happy. And, oh, glue on our eyelids. Perfect. And now we play video games? Oh, no, that's a makeup palette, yes. And now, wait a minute. Who is calling you?
Hi, Luigi. Oh,
What?
boy.
What?
It sounds great.
Why is Luigi calling you? I don't understand. What is happening?
Can't wait. I'll see you later.
Can't wait for what? Okay, I'm going to pretend I did not hear this. Okay, now we are going to... Oh, now who is this?
Hi, Bowser.
How is Bowser calling you? He has no thumbs.
Good. I'm busy tonight, but tomorrow works.
We were supposed to go to Toad's birthday party tomorrow.
Pick me up at 6?
No, what is going on?
Can't wait. Bye.
Okay, now I am upset because I spent my entire life sliding down flagpoles and going through castles to rescue my girlfriend from this lizard, and... I guess nice guys really do finish last, huh? I guess her eyelashes match her personality, huh? Fake! Wah! Guys, I tell jokes sometimes, okay? Anyway, we are finishing up this makeup tutorial review with some lip stuff and, oh, a kiss for me. At least I hope it's for me, considering how many people you talk to a day. Anyway, you look beautiful as always, and I feel like rescuing you all of a sudden, because, I don't know, it's a trap. It really is. You are gorgeous. And thank you, Potato Banana, for watching. And make sure you like and subscribe to her channel and my channel if you want. And, bye, wait, what?
Okay. I'll be right down. See you soon.